We are friends. We are friends. Can set the proper camera body. I used the 2000 for this trip. Okay, so I set it 2000. Okay. The IS, or I use the FAM 400, so we'll try 400. Okay, in manual mode. I want to use the shutter speed on the body, so set the speed ring on the lens to F. Okay, let's try it. Okay, maybe 1000 F11. Okay. For anti-ghost flare or something. Okay. Move a little bit more closer, if possible. To make sure, use the cable release if in very strong daylight. The long telephoto lens need the cable release and mirror lockup for better quality and better sharpness. Friends. We are friends. Nice reflection. The birds are very careful and keep them safety, so have to sit in the car. Yes, the tripod helps a lot. So cute. The birds in nature like this. relax after dinner. Okay, change some film. And even my friend would like to see how the digital and the film works. So it's a great idea, friend. Yeah, I'll try some. This is a Fuji 400H and the same ISO. Okay. Just would like to sharing the analog looks and the digital looks. What's different in the low light or the sun setting? Not comparing which films or digital the best, not like that. Just would like to see the character, film character or digital character. Okay, try something. This is a nice reflection. I use the 500 Tele ApoTessar and mount with the Mutar 2X teleconverter to make 1000mm lens. In my idea, I would like to see how the distance or how the perspective or how the images or how the photos can outstanding. I make decision to mount the lens and teleconverter all the times for this video. For myself, it's just to enjoy bird shooting that have left my favorite for more than 10 years. When come back, sometimes it depends on lucks because of birds in the nature is not like the birds in the zoo. Sometimes I have to shoot in the car because of birds scaring and keep the safety distance. This is some of the adventures what I can get from. I'm very happy with my shots that I love the bird in the nature. This is storytelling through the CFV 50C2 500mm lens and teleconverter. Very exciting to see what birds in nature in action. It's very happy. So I think every friend's happy with my demonstration through the gears that you may familiar from the other episodes. This video I take the films because of some friends Andy would like to see what the analog looks or digital looks. This is demonstration, some sharing how the analog and the digital works. The sun setting very fast. I didn't get any cloud or colorful sky. It depends on situations. I'm not doing a great portfolios from photo shooting. Just want to makes me happy. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy the video. Please sharing or comments to other friends that may be take interesting or curious to know. Thank you so much. สวัสดีครับ